Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beef Wellington from scratch. First, let's prepare our star ingredient, the beef tenderloin. You'll want to sear a 2-pound center-cut tenderloin on all sides in a hot pan for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. This creates a beautiful, flavorful crust. Remember to season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Once seared, let it cool completely, ideally chilling it for at least 20 minutes. Next, we'll create the savory duxelles, a key component of our Wellington. Finely chop about 1 pound of cremini mushrooms, 2 shallots, and a sprig of fresh thyme. Sauté this mixture in a dry pan over medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring frequently. The goal is to cook out all the moisture, leaving you with a thick, concentrated paste. This step is crucial for preventing a soggy pastry. Now for the exciting assembly. On a large sheet of plastic wrap, lay out about 8 to 10 slices of prosciutto, overlapping them slightly to form a rectangle. Spread the cooled duxelles evenly over the prosciutto. Carefully place your chilled, seared beef tenderloin in the center. Using the plastic wrap, tightly roll the prosciutto and duxelles around the beef, forming a neat log. Chill this for at least 15 minutes to firm it up. Finally, we encase our masterpiece in golden puff pastry. Roll out a sheet of store-bought puff pastry to about 1/8 inch thick, large enough to wrap your beef log. Brush the pastry edges with an egg wash. Place the beef log in the center, fold the pastry over, and trim any excess. Seal the edges firmly. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. The pastry should be golden brown, and the internal temperature should reach 125 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.